Science. Ay, sorry, hindi ko na-check. Sorry po. Classmates, here's one of our teachers in science, Mrs. Carmelita Encilan. Ma'am, pwede po kayo dito sa may harap, please, so everybody can see you. Boys, we need an escort. Boys, gentlemen, escort. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Nelson.
Mrs. Encilan. Oh, natatandaan niyo si Ma'am?
Okay, dito po, teacher po sa science. Sino po ang naging estudyante ni Ma'am Encilan? Taas ang paa. Ay, kamay pala.
O, sino binasak ni Ma'am sa inyo? Ay, nako.
Alright, our next teacher is a teacher in PE. Friends, let's give Miss Luningning Milan a round of applause.
Yes, Miss Milan.
Escort, mag-volunteer na dyan.
Siguro, sakit na ulo ka ni Miss Milan nung araw. Kaya ikaw.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, we need another escort for, hindi ito escort news ang kailangan this time.
News.
Ladies and gentlemen, our teacher in practical arts, Mr. Simeon Lopez.
Okay! Mr. Lopez. Nakagawa na ba kayo ng radyo? Ayan. Bagsak kayo. Hindi umilaw ang bumbilya nyo. Sir, sino ba binagsak niyo sa practical arts? Ay, oh, yan umilaw. Yan umilaw.
Ayan. Our next teacher is also a teacher in practical arts. Please welcome Mrs. Daisy Viernes.
Okay.
Let's give her a big hand.
Ayan. Ome economics yan.
Oh, thank you sa ating
Practical
escort.
arts pa rin. Practical arts. Oh, sino naging under ni Ma'am?
The last but not the least, classmates, schoolmates, please listen very well. Teacher Ellie is talking here. Ayan, eto na, ang teacher na favorite ng mga boys. Ladies and gentlemen, our guidance counselor, Mrs. Consolacion Concepcion. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Last quiet.
Okay, escorted by Alan Pareño.
Sir Alan Pervenio, escorting Miss Concepcion. Na-office ka, Alan.
Siguro si Alan, di ba, best na office kaya siya nag-escort.
Ay, naku, maraming na-office si Len.
Okay, once more classmates, let's give them a big hand.
Thank you, Ma'am, Sir.
Thank you po mga madams and sirs for your time and love to all of us. Thank you and good evening.